Hi, second grade, it's Miss L. Welcome to FUNdations Lesson 2, Part 2. So this is the second day of day 2. We're going to go ahead and get started with our drill sounds. I'll say it first, you repeat after me. A, acorn, A. E, me, E. I, hi, I. Oh, no, O. You, pupil, you. You, flew, oo. Excellent. Remember that you learned Y can be a vowel and it can have 2 sounds. Let's practice them now. My turn, then your turn. Y, cry, I. Y, baby, E. Great. You also practiced some suffixes with Miss Daly. Remember, suffixes are something you put on the end of a base word and it changes the meaning of the word just a little bit. So ed suffix can say d, ed, or t. S suffix can say s or z. Es can also make the s sound. The er suffix says and the est suffix says est. Let's practice those again. Ed can make 3 different sounds. It can make d, ed, or t. Good. The s suffix can say s. Good. Or z. Excellent. Es can also say s. Great job. Okay, practice. What does er say? Yep, And what does est say? Great, est. Let's move on. Some of the new trick words that you have been working on this week have been pretty tricky. The one that I want to focus on today is the word change. Look at the word, say change. We're going to get ready and we're going to skywrite this word. Get those skywriting fingers up. Ready? C-H-A-N-G-E. What word does that spell? Yep, change. Take a few seconds, see if you can use the word change in a sentence. Think about it. Great job. Let's move on. All right, we are going to build our word of the day. So for that, I am going to need my tile board. What I am going to do is I'm going to build the word. I want you to look at it, see if you can tap it out and figure out what our word is. Having a little trouble dragging my letters. There we go. Take a look at the word. Tap it out. What do you think that word is? Take a few seconds. I'm going to tap it out. You can tap it out with me. Sh, I, shy. How did I know that that Y on the end said I? That's right. As you learned the other day, Y can be a vowel and it can make 2 different sounds. At the end of a 1-syllable word, Y says I. At the end of a 1-syllable word, Y says what? Yep, it says I. So SH says sh. Y at the end of a 1-syllable word says I. Sh. I spells, yep, shy. Scholars, how can you tell if someone is being shy? We've heard the word before. How can you tell? Somebody might get kind of quiet. Maybe they'll whisper. You might tell that they're a little nervous in a group. Sometimes their cheeks will turn pink, or if it's a little kid being shy, sometimes they'll maybe hide behind their mom or their dad. Yep. So if you're shy, oftentimes you're not really comfortable talking or being in front of a lot of other people. And being shy can take on some different ways of showing it. Excellent. So I'm going to ask you one more time. What sound does the Y make at the end of this word? Yep, it makes an I sound. Very good. The way that we mark up the word shy looks like this. We're going to scoop the word. We're going to put an O underneath. Do you know why we're putting an O underneath that word? You're right. This is an open syllable. At the end of the word, this Y is acting as a vowel. It's making the long I sound. So there's no consonant closing it in. So it's a long sound. We call that an open syllable. Everyone say open syllable. Good. That means the vowel on the end is long and there's no consonant blocking it in. Very good. I want to try one more word with you. I'm going to spell it in the box. I want you to tap it and read it. You might be saying, Miss L, this is an easy word. I know what this word is, but I want you to tap it and say it anyway. Take a few seconds. Ready? We're going to say the word together. The word is hi. Very good. Yep. H-I. I want you to think, what syllable type is this word? Is it open, closed, vowel consonant E, or vowel team? Think about it. If you said open, you are correct. This is open because in the word hi, if we tap it out, we can hear the I saying its name at the end. That's because there's no consonant closing in the vowel. It's a long vowel sound. So when you have a word that has a long vowel and no consonant on the end, it's an open syllable. What syllable type? Yep, open. Excellent, second grade. All right, it's time to learn some new spelling now. Yesterday with Mrs. Jones, you practiced finding letters to match sounds on the tile board. Today, we're going to practice tapping, saying, and spelling some words using our tile board. So the first word we're going to start with is got. This is a review word from the other lesson the first day. We're going to say the word. What is the word? Got. Elbows up. Let's get ready to tap got. G-A-T. Got. I hear 3 sounds in got. G. Okay. Ah. T. G. A. T. Got. Does that look right? Absolutely. Scholars, what syllable type is this? Open, closed, vowel consonant E, or vowel team? Look at it. Think about what sound the vowel is making. G, A, T, got. Yep, if you said closed, you're correct. The O is saying ah, that's a short vowel sound, and the T is a consonant closing our vowel in. This is a closed syllable. Now I have a question. How could we change the word got to make it go? Got to go. I want you to tap the sounds you hear in go. G, O, G, O. How can we change got to go? Take a few more seconds. That's right. We get rid of the T on the end. We know that if we want the O to say its name, it has to be an open syllable. You cannot have this T blocking it in on the end. So now let's tap this word. We have G-O. Does that say go? Yes, it does. Great work, second grade. Let's try another one. I want to spell the word bit, like my dog bit me. He didn't actually, it's just an example. Bit. Let's tap bit. B-it. Bit. What sounds do you hear in bit? B-it. Thumbs up if you spelled bit that way. Great work. Bit. This is a closed syllable because the I says I. It does not say I, it says I. It's blocked in or closed in by this consonant on the end. Great. So second grade, how do we make the word bit into bite? Like I take a bite of an apple. Let's tap the word bite. B-I-T. Bite. So I need that I to say its name. It can't right now because it's closed in by this consonant T. How can I make the I say its name? Think for a minute. Great. If you said we can add an E to the end, you are correct. B-I-T. The I says its name now because this vowel consonant E syllable type. We put the E on the end, so it's a silent E, and it makes the vowel in the middle say its name. Let's tap that one more time. B-I-T. Bite. Yep, the I is saying its name. It's saying I. Great job. Second grade, I want to try one more word with you today. The word I want us to write is sky. Like the sky is so blue. Sky. Let's tap the sounds we hear in that word. S-k-I, sky. S-k-I. I hear that I on the end, and I'm trying to remember what letter did I learn about that when I put it on the end of a one-syllable word, it says I. Oh, you see it too? You guys are so smart. I knew you would remember that would be a Y. So let's spell sky. I, sky. Scholars, why can't I spell sky like this? Does anybody know what that word says? You're right, that word says ski. Sometimes there are different rules in English that don't quite make sense to us right now, but we know that SKI says ski, like I'm going to go ski in the snow. So we put the Y because we have learned that at the end of a one-syllable word, when you hear the I sound, it's a Y. Great job, second grade. Today, you are going to click on the Google form. You're going to listen to the sounds, the words, and the sentence, and you're going to type what you hear into the boxes. We can't wait to hear what your answers are going to be. Bye-bye, second grade.